This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Coolie, coolie. Spooky, scary skeletons. Pull up, skirt. Getting the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh.
Hello.
Welcome back to the Shabby Saloon. This is my new sign. Just imagine it just like you know. I'm back. Back and I'm better.
Better.
I want you bad as ever. Today we are gathered here because I want to dye my hair again, which is nothing new, but I kind of thought of an amazing idea. Machen wir dein Bein hoch? Ja, nur deine Füße drauf.
I told you.
So, as we all know, it is the spooky season. Ooh. And that means that I kind of want to do something spooky too. Ooh.
Kannst du einfach rosa Sound Effects reinmachen?
Ja, mach ich auch. So I thought, what better way to show my spookiness than through my hair color? Was that a sentence? I just want to dye my hair today. And I want to dye it Halloween themed. So when I'm thinking about Halloween colors, I'm thinking purple, orange, and green. I guess I'm going to dye my hair orange, green, and purple today.
Yay.
I still have a little bit of hair color in my hair from my last hair dyeing session. Well, actually basically just the blue. And I don't know if you can see that, but I have a little strand of hair like right here, which is kind of pinkish because I tried out a hair chalk like a couple of hours ago and I thought this would fade out, but it didn't.
Quick question from your audience. Why these colors? What is Halloween about them?
Well, if I think about Halloween, those three colors just pop into my head. Orange because of pumpkin, purple and green, they're just spooky. Green is slime, purple is just like witchy, you know.
Thanks for the explanation.
You're welcome.
Clap, 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 clap.
Thanks for the applause, applause, applause. I live for...
Lady Gaga is, no.
Did you just shade our queen?
No, I shaded you trying to be Lady Gaga. I'm confusion!
Hi, confusion. I'm dead. I'm sorry. Let's just get right into the hair dyeing process and mix our colors because that takes a long time. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Spooky, scary skeletons. Okay, so this is my first color. This is the orange. I put some conditioner in there and also some of the orange directions. Apricot. Should be called pumpkin. And I put some of the purple in here. I'm also going to mix it with some conditioner so I get more product in the end. Cool. Okay, so this is the mixed purple. Looks really cool. I just have this spring green, which is like way too dark. I want it like more like toxic, slimy green, you know, more like the green of my gloves right there. Excuse me.
Wow, that was some diarrhea sheety mitty. Diarrhea action.
So now I'm actually gonna add some of this into the green because I want it to be like very bright and kind of like neon, and maybe that's gonna give a little bit of a neon hint. I mean, look, if this doesn't look spooky, then I don't know what does. It's too much conditioner. I'm struggling with my green, with my green. I don't have anything to make it more vibrant, but I think it will look different on my head, so I'm just gonna roll with this. Cool. Cool. And now we all know it's time for the Musically hoodie. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna section the front. The front is gonna be green. The left side is gonna be orange. And the right side is gonna be purpura. So first thing I'm gonna do now is section off the part I want it to be green. That's a look.
Let me compare.
Let me compare. Let me compare. That high note. I love this. I love my bangs.
I'm doing my favorite thing in the world now.
Sectioning my hair?
Mhm.
Immer scheiße, was soll denn die Laune hier jetzt einmal?
Oh, that actually feels really nice.
I'm so close to the microphone right now. You can listen to my soul.
Say something really scary.
You forgot to flush the toilet. Your mom said you're ugly.
That's not scary, that's my reality.
Cool. Let's get this party started on a Saturday night. Looks like I'm finally nominated for the Kids' Choice Awards. And I won. Pudding? I forgot to put on gloves. Gloves. This is how a German person with a really strong German accent would say it. Gloves!
Ladies and gentlemen, to those among you who are easily frightened, we suggest you turn away now. To those of you who think they can take it, we say, welcome to the madhouse.
Never heard so many voice cracks in my life. Oops, jetzt habe ich grün an meine blauen Haare gemacht. Cool. So the green is in. That was very easy. Let's do pumpkin orange.
Aye.
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 Eh.
Yep, you know this.
But guys, this time we're gonna start from the bottom and we're gonna work our way up.
Finally, after 5 years of practicing the process of doing split hair dye and just studying all the different kinds of methods, basically just thinking for one time, we finally thought of a way to do it a little bit smarter than...
Listen to Drake, because we started from the bottom, now we're here.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna start at the bottom and then we're there, like Drake said.
Drake.
Drake. Drake means dirt in German, but we don't say it that way. We say Drake. But you can say Drake as well, like trash. We love trash. By the way, look how much green I have left. Maybe you want like a super cute green hair. Maybe not. Okay. Yeah.
I thought we were gonna start at the bottom.
I mean, well,
Wait, what are we doing?
stupid in love. Can you tell the song?
What are you grateful for most in life right now?
I'm grateful just to be at home right
In my
now.
presence? Yeah, I'd be grateful too.
That's actually what I wanted to say.
Oh!
And in Taco's presence. Guess the song. I feel like we do... No.
We're just gonna say that we were doing amazing.
Yeah. So can you tell which album we're listening to?
Get it up, get it up, get it up there.
The winner gets a kiss from Vincent.
Can you like not sell me?
No, I'm just telling you kisses. What up? What you?
Nah, nah.
Come on.
Get up. Okay, let's do the purple side. We're so quick today, right? Let's do a creepy hand dance.
These are a green screen.
Do you think that'll work?
I don't have hands, guys.
I don't have hands either.
Eh? I thought you liked the way I'm pulling your hair.
Nothing without you. Look, I even got a purple brush for you.
I mean, it's blue, but...
So where were we before this guy started drilling ear-piercingly loud? Oh my god.
Oh no, it's ripping.
Oh, yeah. I can't wait to wash out every single hair color.
I'm ready to move again.
Why? You like moving?
I just want to decorate a new place.
Oh, I get it. Wow, what an amazing curl. And guitar solo. Do me a little swirly swirl swoogity swoop. So we have the 3 colors laid onto my head. We have to wash out every single part individually. But for now, let's wait. Ooh.
Hi, Beach.
Hi.
Cook.
So we're washing out the colors now.
Nothing's coming out of this purple.
Why not? My hair is literally soaking up all of the color. Help! Oh, my back! So Taco, how would you rate this hair rinsing experience? Hello. How you doing? What are your problems in life? Tell me all about it. Cool, thanks. The reveal is happening. Are you ready for the spookity spook?
Oh, you gotta make it really spooky.
Okay, I'll try to come in like spooky. It's not focusing. Look, what am I? I look like I fell into a pot full of hair dye. Honestly, if it weren't Halloween right now, I would not know what to think about this hair color decision. But as it is Halloween season, I I love it. We need a little bit of a contrast so you can see the purple. Okay, so I put the pillow right behind. It's strangling me really hard right now, but now you can see my hair color a little bit better. The green part is a little sad because I literally just have this little strand of hair, and the orange side is even more sad. But that's all because of my shitty growing bangs situation. Few bangs. Ooh, now I look really spooky, especially with this pillow right behind me, which is strangling me to death. I love these green bangs now. They're cute, right? Honestly, this is literally exactly what I was going for. This is the Halloween vibe I wanted to go for. Tell me how you like this hair color. I would say this is definitely the craziest hair color I've ever done, right?
That dye was the craziest, and now you've got another color.
Now I have triple dye, triple split dye, splittle dye. I feel like you needed to see this hair color in different kind of lighting, so you see the purple and the orange and the green all at once. I look so spooky.
I'm so spooked.
Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Naomijon Snap on and the Naomijon on. I just got stabbed by a spatula.
How are you talking? You're dead.
Oh yeah, I'm dead. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
You won't because you're dead.
I won't see you in my next video because I'm dead, because I got stabbed by a spatula. I'm done today, Naomi.